Okay, let's see what all the hype is about. Everybody told me in my chicken comparison between Popeyes and Church's, I missed the Jollibee boat. I need to try this chicken. Now, people said this place is extremely expensive, really, really expensive. But look what I got here. I mean, I don't know where they're getting their chicken from, but this is $11. Now, I've never tried this chicken before. Not because I have anything against this. It's just I never have been here before. I've been here before, but it just opened, and they said I'd have to wait like 35 minutes for my order, and they weren't doing any call-in or any app thing. They just opened. I came here because this used to be ARBY'S. I was gonna get 2 ARBY'S sandwiches, take the meat off of one, put it on the other, take away the top, and just eat it open faced with one piece of the bread. Very low carb and delicious if you don't use too much ARBY'S sauce. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and give me your comments down here. Have you tried the chicken from here? But this is what I got. For only $11, I got a 2-piece meal deal. So it's probably, I haven't looked at it yet. So you can tell it's sealed. There's no greasy fingerprints. I got 2 pieces of chicken. It came with gravy, and I've never dipped chicken in gravy. I will try it, I guess. I've never ever done that. So I also got a pie, which I think is a mango something pie, she said. Peach and mango. So that will be a giveaway. I can't eat that. Do you want a pie? I cannot eat that pie. They gave me a knife and a fork, or a knife and a spoon, and a little bit of ketchup, and then they gave me the french fries. So all this stuff is stuff I really shouldn't eat very often. The french fries is huge. Look at that. Ooh, big bag of fries. That's really, really huge. I don't know if it's going to be salted. Now, I also got a root beer. Now you say, root beer? Is it diet root beer? Is it low calorie, low carb water that has a hint of root beer? Nope, it's straight root beer, because she told me something I didn't know. She is actually a Korean young lady. I think these people are from, I would imagine, South Korea. But they also have started burgers. She told me to come back and try a burger. If I'm an American guy, I probably like burgers. Sounds a little prejudiced to me. All you Asians look alike. All those white dudes with a tum-tum eat burgers. Well, she's probably right. So anyway, this character right here, what is it? It's got ears. I mean, I guess it's supposed to be a bee, but he's red. He's a red bee. Ooh, watch out for red bee. But so anyway, all this for $11. So 2 pieces of chicken, a very large fries, a gravy, and a drink. Did I say pie? I don't know, but $11. So let's go take a look at the chicken. That's what they're telling me about. They said I own. And a biscuit. Wow. So it's 2 pieces of chicken, a biscuit, french fries, drink, and a pie. That's a great deal. Now, the lady I was talking to that told me I'm eating the wrong chicken, she is not Korean. She is from Baltimore. Are there a lot of Korean people in Baltimore? I don't know. Let's see if I can eliminate the need for a knife and a fork. I don't like using it. I'll save these for an emergency when I get some that I have to eat with a knife and a fork. Then I have it in my car. When you work for these delivery companies, it's really hot. I've opened my windows. I can't have the air conditioner. It makes too much noise. So forgive me if I sweat. But 2 pieces of chicken. She said I only eat American style fried chicken. I told her, well, to tell you the truth, or American style chicken. I told her, well, really, I don't eat much fried chicken anymore at all, because of the fact it's higher in carbs, and my main focus lately has been carbs. So for me, I try to eat a low carb meals, keto if I can, but some keto, some low carb. I do eat El Pollo Loco, which is actually pretty low in carbs. If you get, I've made a video about that. I think I got 2 chicken breasts from there. I think it was around $9.90 for 2 pretty good sized chicken breasts, and they're cooked on the grill, so they're grilled chicken, lightly seasoned with a mild sauce, a mild like Mexican spices, I guess. Not too spicy at all. I haven't had full root beer. It almost knocked me out. So it's like when you don't think you're gonna have. We want unsweet iced tea, but they give you regular tea with sugar. But yeah, so I do eat that. That's low carb. But the fried chicken, like I said before, what I grew up with was mostly Pioneer and Kentucky Fried Chicken. So it's not that I don't like this chicken. I've never have tried it. I was going to try that one day, but very, very crowded. So now this does have breading, so it's going to have some carbs. The biscuit's going to have carbs, and the french fries are going to have carbs, and probably the gravy, and the drink, and the pie. Carbs everywhere. She did tell me something interesting. They don't drink unsweet iced tea in Korea. All the drinks they have in Korea are sweet. I didn't know that. But here's the French fries. Let's try the French fries first. Good. These French fries taste like very lightly salted. Kind of tastes like they're cooked in a very healthy oil. I don't know if lard is unhealthy, but that tastes like almost like the center of a baked potato. But here's what we came here for. I'm gonna try this. Now, like I said, I do like white meat the best, so I'm gonna try this piece first. Do you think it'll be better than Popeyes and better than Church's? It is good. It's very good. Good seasoning. Kind of gross to show where I bit. The seasoning's good. It tastes like most of the seasoning is in the batter to make the breading for the crust. It is. Now they have a biscuit. Once again, I didn't get butter. Remember to get butter next time. No. The reason I didn't get butter is, number one, I didn't know I was getting a biscuit. Is there butter in here? Oh, maybe there is butter. Let me check. There's something. There's like ketchup. Just ketchup. So there's ketchup. I guess you could ask for butter. I don't really know. So you tell me. I got two things. Two ketchups. Please let me know in the comments down below. If you eat this kind of chicken, can you get it with butter on your biscuit? I don't know. Fries, please. The root beer is a mug root beer, but it's come from Pepsi. It's good too. Okay, so one thing we haven't really tried yet. Oh, dipping in this gravy. I have no idea if I like this. I have nothing to compare this to. I mean, I know what gravy is. I have it on like an open face roast beef sandwich. I made a video about that back there. I'm just gonna dip it in here, and then I'm gonna probably seal it up. Chicken gravy, which is probably this is what it is. It's good. I don't know if that gravy is really necessary. I do have gravy on French fries sometimes if I get an open face roast beef sandwich. Not as much as I used to. Here's what the gravy looks like. So you would think gravy on mashed potatoes, but she says they put gravy basically on everything. So they don't drink unsweet iced tea. All the drinks are sweet, and they use gravy on their chicken. I mean, on their everything. I'll try the biscuit. Good. Kind of tastes like the one I got from Popeyes. Or Kentucky Fried Chicken. A lot of times when you eat some kind of food, they're trying to compete with somebody else or try to compare themselves to somebody else. So I really don't know about that. But for value, $11, a lot of food. If I ate things like a fruit pie, I'm going to try and let you know how it is. I'll ask the person who's going to eat this fruit pie, hey, how's the fruit pie? You know? Well, there's three things in here. Are they all three? They're all three ketchup. So if they give me three things of ketchup, ketchup. A lot of times when it comes to eating a thing like this, it has carbs. But this is like unnecessary carbs to me. Because if your French fries taste good, I don't need your ketchup. So the pie, I'm sure is good. But don't you think that's a good deal? $11, 2 pieces of chicken. Now it's not 2 breasts. 2 pieces of chicken, a very large fries. I've eaten some of the fries, but see how big this is? Look right here. That's a lot of fries. Maybe it's like Five Guys and Fries where they fill the thing. I don't really know anything about this place. The choices for this were, you get to pick your side with this. I think it's like coleslaw. I think it's coleslaw. Some kind of I know there are a bunch of different little side dishes. You'd have to look at that online. But the reason I got the fries, everybody tells me, the same people that told me to try this, they told me the following things: try the chicken and try the fries. Oh, and the pies are good too. So chicken, we tried, good. Fries, good. They didn't tell me to try the biscuit or the root beer. I think they probably thought I knew what a root beer tastes like. But we're gonna give away this pie, and I would say this is very, very good. Value-wise, everybody's talking how expensive this is. Like a small bucket of chicken is over $40. Now she did say this: there's some more Korean. When there's one thing, there's be others, right? If somebody has popularity or success, there's gonna be copycats or people coming in. I think what happened is she said that they're still like the king of the bone-in chicken, you know, the thigh, the breast, the wing, the drumstick. But other companies are really big with nuggets, so probably similar to the situation with Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A is extremely successful, extremely popular, but they don't have bone-in chicken, so that's where Kentucky Fried Chicken can survive. Like churches, Popeyes, you know, they survive there. So anyway, everyone, please subscribe, boop, 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 like, share. I'm almost to 15,000 subscribers. I got a message from YouTube saying, hey, you're almost at 15,000 subscribers. Duh, I need some more subscribers. So you please help me fill that void. Fill the void and give me some subscribers. Take care, everyone. Have a great day. This will probably be out. Oh, I don't know. I don't know when it'll be out. It will be out.